Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're doing an unboxing, and this one is the Look Fantastic beauty box. So I've just realised I'm kind of matching the box here, but never mind, happy accidents. So if you don't know what the Look Fantastic beauty box is, I'm going to give a brief little description here, but if you already know everything there is to know about this box and you just want to skip ahead to the items, then as usual I will leave a timestamp in the comments section down below and you can just use that. So for those of you that don't know what Look Fantastic is and want to know more, Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription service from the online beauty retailer Look Fantastic. Now that is quite a large website. It sells everything from makeup to skincare to hair care to beauty tools, all of that kind of good stuff. It's personally one of my favourite websites to shop from, and they also do the beauty box. As I said, it's a monthly beauty subscription service. It costs £15 per month on a rolling monthly contract, but you can reduce the cost of the box if you take out a longer length of subscription. For example, I've taken out a 12-month subscription with them and my boxes cost me £13 a month, so it just reduces the cost a little bit. You usually get 6 items within the box and the sizes range from deluxe mini to full size. You hardly ever get any like minute samples, so that's really nice. And this box can tend to be a bit skincare heavy. We do get makeup products and some months are more makeup heavy than others, but generally speaking I find that this box is more skincare based. So as always, I will leave all of the detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your leisure. But for now we're just going to get on with the opening. And on the inside of the box lid there's usually some sort of quote or motivational phrase. I'm just trying to get the light so that you can actually see that. There we go. And this month it says, "Get lost in the wilderness, you were born to be free." And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So you've got a little booklet that accompanies the items and you've got your items tucked away underneath this tissue paper. So the little booklet that comes with it just details all the information that we need about the items, tells us the RRPs, tells us what the item can be used for, how to use it, things like that. And there's usually a couple of articles in here as well, sometimes about the brands that are in here, sometimes about current makeup and beauty trends. So there's usually a couple of little interesting bits and pieces in here. And on the back of each booklet there's usually a sneak peek for an item that will be in next month's box. This month is no exception, so as usual, if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, I will leave a timestamp in the comments section down below so that you can skip past this part. If you are interested in what the sneak peek is, then it is going to be this. So it is Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel worth £10, so it's probably going to be a deluxe mini size. This luxurious body wash will leave your skin feeling fresh, pampered and smelling amazing. Uniquely and delicately scented with sea fennel and cypress, your body will feel nourished, moisturised and revitalised in equal measures. That sounds quite nice, that sounds quite fresh. And on the inside front cover you usually get a little note from the editor, so we'll just go ahead and read that. So this is the Botanical edit apparently. So it says, "Step into the wild and embrace the natural world this May with our Botanical Edition beauty box. Focusing on the power of plants, this month's box is full of gentle, effective products that are free from toxins and are sure to brighten up your beauty collection. In this month's beauty box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Ico, a DIY botanical face mask recipe and delving into the power of pineapple in your skincare routine." So that sounds quite interesting. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Oops. A little peek inside. Okay, so first thing I'm going to pull out is the biggest item. So this is from Magnetone London and it's a Wipeout microfiber cleansing cloth. Don't know why I said microfiber like that, but never mind. So removes makeup with just water. If you've been around my channel for a while, you'll know I'm not putting much faith in that claim. I just don't have much luck with things like that. I find that nothing gets my face cleaner than just giving it a good wash. we'll see how we get on, but this is what it looks like. So it's quite a handy little size for travel. And you've got, just looks quite fleecy. Feels very soft. It does feel lovely, but I just don't think these work for me very well. We'll just have a look at the booklet and see what it says. So this is worth £10. Let this Magnetone cleansing cloth remove your makeup with just warm water. Grab and hold microfibres, remove even the toughest of makeup. Simply throw in the washing machine at 30 degrees and reuse up to thousands of times. Wet cloth with warm water and gently wipe away your makeup using circular motions. We'll see. The next product I'm going to pull out is actually the sneak peek from last month. Now that I've seen it, I know what this is. So it's from Avant. So it's expensive, and it's the Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. So let's just see how expensive this is. I think it was probably around the £100 mark. Yep. So this has got an RRP of £100. Get a bright and smooth complexion with the help of this rich anti-aging Avant moisturiser, formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter and sweet almond oils to tighten and firm for a more youthful complexion. Massage into the skin in circular motions, starting from the inner portion of your face to the outer. Looking at that description with the shea butter and sweet almond oil, I think that's probably going to smell amazing as well. Let's just see. There is fragrance in here, so if you are sensitive to that, it's probably not going to be for you. But I think I'm going to quite like that smell. I'm not going to open it, and they're usually covered with foil. Yeah, so it's got a little foil seal on. I'm not going to open it because I've got a few face creams on the go at the moment. But I'm quite looking forward to getting around to that, because that does sound quite nice. So that's exciting. And £100. I would never pay £100 for a face cream. Just going to put that out there. But to have it in a subscription box, I can live with that. Next we've got this from, oh gosh, is it Cores or Cores? Never sure how to pronounce it. But this is the Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. Whenever it says probiotic, prebiotic, something biotic, I always think it sounds quite medicinal. Let's just see. Yeah, this one's got a foil thing on as well, so let's just see what it is first. This is worth £9.40. Suitable for all skin types, but especially great for sensitive skin. This Chorus face mask soothes, hydrates and cools for the ultimate pampering and nourishing feel. Apply a thick... It says apply a thick later, but I'm assuming the later means layer, onto clean dry skin and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. So yeah, that sounds quite nice, but I don't think it's something that I'm going to be in need of for a while, so I'm not going to open it right now. And it might actually be something that I pass on to my mum. She does have sensitive skin, so this might be something that I pass on to her when I can eventually see her. So that's that. So next we've got something from Balance Me. And this is the Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. Created to effectively quench, plump, brighten and rejuvenate skin throughout the day. Sounds pretty good. This is worth £10. Award-winning, skin-quenching, brightening and incredibly hydrating, this Balance Me facial mist instantly rejuvenates dry skin. Designed to replace a toner in your skincare routine, fix makeup in place and refresh your face throughout the day. Spray onto face and pat excess moisture into skin until fully absorbed. Not something that I necessarily need right now, but I do like face sprays. I do have half a drawer full of them that sort of proves that. But I don't know when I'm going to get around to using this. But it certainly sounds nice, so I'm happy to have it. I'm happy to give it a go at some point. Okay. Next we've got an Eyebrow Gel. So this is a mini eyebrow gel and it's worth £10. This Eyebrow Gel tames unruly eyebrows and provides a long-lasting hold without flakiness or stiffness. Infused with beneficial ingredients including keratin and ginkgo biloba to condition and thicken the hairs. The nano brush allows you to precisely define your brows but keeps them looking natural. Remove excess product from the brush and apply in upward strokes. So let's just see. This has only got a 6-month period after opening date on it, and I do already have a brow gel open at the moment, so I'm not going to open this right now to have a look at the brush, but I can show you the picture. So that is what that looks like. So looks like a typical brow gel brush. I'll get around to it at some point, I'm sure, but it's just not something that I need to open right now, so that's that. Last, we've got this little thing. So it's a Dr. Lip Tint Sweet Potato Pigment. That sounds interesting. Formulated on Dr. Lip's multi-award winning balm, famous for its long-lasting moisture. 100% natural moisturising tint with edible plant-based pigment, fragrance and additive free. I'm kind of curious about this one. So it's just got that kind of applicator on it. So let's just have a look, see what we get. Okay, so that's what that looks like there, and then just pop some onto my hand, and then that is so weird. It's like having that colour, I do expect it to have some sort of fragrance, and it really doesn't. There is absolutely nothing there. Feels a bit sticky. Not sure I'm going to get on with that, but I'm happy to try it and see. But just sort of first impressions on my hand, which is not where it's going to be worn. Let's bear that in mind, shall we? That feels quite sticky. But as you can see, there's not really any colour to it. It comes out a little bit pink, but now I've rubbed it in a bit, there's no colour to it. So it looks like it's just going to be a bit of a lip balm. So this is worth £3. Get a subtle pop of colour. And ultra hydration with this Dr. Lip Lip Tint. A tinted balm made with just 4 natural ingredients. Lanolin gives the balm its moisturising properties, whilst sweet potato provides the tint. 100% natural and cruelty free, this balm will leave your lips super soft. Apply directly to the lips or spread with fingertips for a more even coverage. It's a lip balm. So that was the last of the items, so I'm going to do a quick recap. We've got the Magnetone cloth, we've got the Avant moisturiser, we've got the Balance Me face mist, we've got the Corez face mask, we've got the Eyebrow Gel, and we've got the Dr. Lip Tint. So that was all of the items. Over to you guys. What do you think of the box this month? Is this a box that you already have? Will you be using any of these items? If you don't have this box, is what you've seen today something that has tempted you to maybe look into subscribing? Maybe when we're all sort of looking at buying things other than food and essentials again? Let me know in the comments box down below. I always love to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. And with that being said, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It just lets me know that you're interested in what I'm doing. Stay safe, stay healthy. I hope you're all doing okay. And yeah, I'll see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.